If f of x is continuous over the closed interval ab and differentiable over the open interval, then the mean value theorem states that there's at least one point in the open interval where the instantaneous rate of change of the function is equal to the average rate of change. So that will be the slope of the secant line, f of b minus f of a, over b minus a. And this can be observed here, where the slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to the slope of this secant line. And note that this can be true at more than one point. So for example, if the function looks something like this, then you can find more than one point where the slope of the tangent line is equal to the slope of the secant line.